Did you know that we sell a ton of new and used restaurant equipment? For example, coolers, shelving units. We've even got hide and go seek containers. We've still got this big ass oven. We got restaurant chairs.
No, these are mine.
Oh, whoops, we sold these. We've even got forklifts. Not for sale though, we use this one. Monster mixers. We even got tandoor ovens. Get your flatbread. We got everything but the kitchen sink. Actually, we got a kitchen sink, like right here. We've even got lightsabers. On guard, Dolan. As my father would say, we even have the Greek ice cream container thingamajigs here at the BSF. And they're like a brand new. We even got ranges, grill and chill. Grill something on them or sit down and chill on them. And we finance. Pick up the phone, call Jill. Quiet, silent type, loves to smile, fast approvals. The clock is ticking. Time is running out. Call us now.